Welcome back to my channel, Explorer Not Expert. Today I'm just going to be using a template of an animal. Let's say, but I chose a butterfly. You can choose any animal, like say a sloth, choose a turtle, I don't know. And I'm going to be using cement, and I'm going to make it a cement butterfly. So let's dive right in. So first, I got a butterfly template I printed out, and basically I took the styrofoam from my house, and I just used the butterfly template, and I used a marker highlighter, and I just drew out the template, and now I'm going to just cut this out. I'm using a X-Acto knife sort of thing. You should use an X-Acto knife. I'm only using this because I'm highly trained. So you should do this part with a parent. This part takes some time, so finished cutting out the butterfly, but we don't need the butterfly itself actually. We are going to need the outline cut. Now we're going to take another styrofoam. We're going to place the butterfly outline right there. So now we're going to hold this down, we're going to put the cement in, boom, done. Now, I have cement right here, and now I'm going to take water and I'm going to pour it right in here. So this way, we can pour it inside. Let's go. Okay. Hey guys, so I finished mixing up the cement, and now I'm pouring it into the filling. And I think it's turning out pretty good. It's going. Oh shoot, it's moving. The styrofoam's moving. Oh, it's dripping. Oh no. It's dripping from the side here. Okay, so I finished the butterfly. It only takes 24 hours, and then me and my sister cracked it open. So on the styrofoam, we took it like the part. And basically, we also added like rocks for the outline like this to think it would look cool. But before I could take my hands on the styrofoam, she already did all of it. Just like this, and now we're gonna paint this, like, cause it will look good with the rocks and everything. Cause the rocks also have like the things on them. And inside, actually, you can see it's thick. And the reason it's holding, it wouldn't hold normally, right? Cause then both sides would just way off. So actually, we added like a few of metal supporters inside of the wings here. This way it like holds the thing down. So it also helps like keeping it balanced. So yeah, and thank you for watching this Explorer Not Expert video. Maybe you could send a link on what yours look like. So yeah, bye, have a great day. This is my final product.